Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Asana for sales pipeline management. First, you need to create a new project in Asana. This is as simple as clicking New, then Project, and filling in the details. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your sales pipeline. Once your project is set up, you'll want to define your pipeline stages. To do this, create sections within your project that represent each stage of your sales funnel. For example, leads, proposals, negotiations, and closed. The reason we do this is to keep track of where potential clients are in the sales process. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks under each stage. Each task represents a potential client or deal. Be sure to include all relevant information in the task description, such as contact details and potential deal size. This aids in keeping all the information in one place. Next up, we're going to assign tasks. This is crucial for accountability and keeping track of who is responsible for what. You can assign a task to a team member by clicking on the assignee field and typing in their name. Lastly, you'll want to regularly update task statuses and move them between stages as they progress through the sales pipeline. You can do this by dragging and dropping tasks between sections. This helps us because it provides a real-time visual representation of your pipeline. Let me explain why this matters. Managing your sales pipeline in Asana helps you stay organized, keep track of potential clients, and ultimately close more deals. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've transformed Asana into a powerful sales pipeline management tool. Remember, the key is to keep your pipeline updated and ensure tasks are always assigned. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tips on our channel.